Well, greetings once again, my friends, fellow Star Trek fans. I hope you're doing well. And for my fellow modelers out there, I got another little tidbit to show you. Now, maybe you guys can relate. Do you ever, we've all got lives and we all have busy schedules. So, things come and go and you end up buying things and you might see something that's a new release. Oh, I like that. You might pick it up and you might, just put it aside, and other things in your life are going on, and then you might just forget about it. Sometimes it happens. Matter of fact, it happened with me with the couple of the kits that I use for a backdrop. The Reliant, the Enterprise, and I got another little kit that when it came out was really cool. And I had purchased it, but I had brought it, when I got it, I put it aside, and well, it kind of got buried, kind of got forgotten. So I want to share it with you. This is going to be another future project. We're going to go back to Star Trek III, The Search for Spock. And that's one of my favorite movies from Star Trek. I think my favorite film from Star Trek is Star Trek The Motion Picture, only because I absolutely love the shots of the ship. And the Enterprise is my favorite character. And what's going to go on is Star Trek 3. I love that film, but I'm ambivalent at the same time because that's the destruction of my beloved Enterprise. That being aside, I think it's got some of the most beautiful shots of the ship in that film. So let's go back. I'll show you the model kit. We've got Star Trek, the U.S.S. Grissom NCC-638. And we have the Klingon Bird of Prey. And of course, the planet that they're orbiting is Genesis. And the Grissom ends up getting destroyed by the Bird of Prey, Commander Kruge. And you can see a nice shot. Let's see, where's the scale? I believe this is 1/1000 or 1/125, 1/1000 scale, yes. So this might be a little difficult to light. But it still can be done. I mean, if we can light the Klingon battle cruisers in the Enterprise Incident model kit with the fiber optics, then we can probably figure out a way to light this. Plus, it's pretty straightforward. There's a light on top. Of course, the torpedo tube. As for the Grissom, you figure the illumination would be in the registration numbers, and the nacelle pylons aren't really lit, and there's not really any lights coming off it. But this could be just how the model is made. So we'll see more when we go into the instructions and we do more research on the U.S.S. Grissom. But this could be lacking lights because it's a illustration for the model and it's not lit, but we'll see. Show you, let's go right to the side of the box. You will be remembered with honor. And no, that's not in Klingon, that's in French, in Francais. Vous serez savu avec honneur. I probably massacred that, but that was Commander Kruge. He was referring to Valkyris, his significant other, who was aboard the kind of like the freighter, and they had gotten Genesis from them off the black market. And once it was transferred, Kruge ended up ordering the destruction of the freighter, and that's when he said, "You will be remembered with honor." Round 2. 4073 Megan Villa Court, South Bend, Indiana. That's a nice shot of the Grissom. Again, it's a research vessel, and the Klingon Bird of Prey. I mean, it really doesn't have a match. There is no match. They don't really have a hope when it comes to going up against the Klingon Bird of Prey, and they were quickly destroyed. So let's go to the side of the box, or the ends. You can see the same depiction. We've got Admiral Kirk, U.S.S. Grissom NCC-638, and a Klingon Bird of Prey. Again, a snap kit in 1/1000 scale. And this is kit number POL 957M12. Looking at the other side, it shows you the decal sheet that comes with the kit. Water slide decals include everything shown here. You can see the markings for the Grissom, the nacelle for the Grissom, and let's see, you got some other registry markings. You got the sides. Let's see, I don't see too, there's not really a lot for the Klingon Bird of Prey. Moving over to the finished models, you can see they have the stands that come with it. It includes a stand for each ship. And we're going to paint her up and make her look nice and weathered. Same thing with the Grissom. I don't have a model of the Grissom. Actually, other than this, do they have a model of the Grissom? I want to say that they're coming out or came out with a new one, but I'm not sure. But it's a nice little ship. Like I said, it's a research vessel, so it really wasn't fair when a Klingon Bird of Prey attacked it. So that's what's on the side. Both ends, by the way, have the same. And I showed you this already, so let's take a look at the back. And you can see attack and cruising mode wing angles. So that's cool. You can make it when she's ready to land or she's going to go into attack. And like I said, these are 1/1000 scale, so these are not very big. You can see the Klingon Bird of Prey is 4 1/4 inches long. You know, 110 millimeters. Well, that sounds long, but it's not. It's pretty small. And you can see the Grissom is 4 3/4 inches long, or 122 millimeters. So they're going to pose a problem to light. I'm going to have to reduce the size of the wires, but it'll be okay. We'll be able to light them and make them look really nice. And who knows, I think it would be cool to make like a diorama where the Klingon Bird of Prey is firing on the Grissom, but we'll see. 2 complete kits molded in color. You can see the U.S.S. Grissom, some information, and this was released in 2018. You can go to StarTrek.com, round2models.com, collectormodel.com, and of course smallartworks.com. He was the one that made the models for the illustrations. So this is going to be a fun little kit, little build. You know, going by the scales, I like the larger scale models, but it's good to go back to these little kits and practice with them. Like I said, it'll be good practice to do the Klingon Bird of Prey, because another project that I had forgotten about that I want to show you guys, matter of fact, look for this video coming up soon. I'm going to be talking to you guys about the Star Trek Katinga class 1/350 scale kit from Polar Lights, and we have the lighting kit to go along with the model. So that's going to be a real fun build. So what we're going to do is we're going to use this kit to kind of practice and hone our skills on before we go to the 1/350. But I just wanted to give you guys a quick little upcoming preview and talk about this model a little bit, because this is one of the models that just kind of got put aside and forgotten, really. But this is going to be a fun kit. Star Trek 3: The Search for Spock, my second favorite Star Trek film, and the pictures and depictions of the ship are absolutely gorgeous. But that is the end of my beloved U.S.S. Enterprise, and that's not a good thing. But my friends, I hope you enjoyed this quick little video showing you this little model that's going to be coming up in an upcoming project. And until the next video, I'll see you guys very, very soon.